Hello everyone, today our topic is how to create email marketing subscriber and send email for Pabbly form builder submission. So here our objective is that whenever we get new form submission in Pabbly form builder, then we first want to use these details and we want to create a new subscriber in Pabbly email marketing, and then we want to send an email through Pabbly email marketing SMTP server. For this, we will create an integration between Pabbly form builder and Pabbly email marketing. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, we are going to use Pabbly Form Builder. In action application, we are going to use Pabbly Email Marketing. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we are working with Pabbly Form Builder and Pabbly Email Marketing. So these are the two apps that Pabbly offers. So Pabbly Form Builder is an app that Pabbly offers, and it is an online form builder that offers the largest collection of beautiful pre-built form templates that are customizable, mobile responsive, and conversion optimized, such that your visitor would not leave without filling out the form. On the other hand, we have Pabbly Email Marketing. Through this app, you can send unlimited emails to your subscribers, and it has its own inbuilt SMTP server, and you can create targeted campaigns and beautiful email templates easily inside this application. So here our objective is that whenever I get a new response or whenever I get a new form submitted in my Pabbly Form Builder, then I want to use those details, and first I want to create a new subscriber inside Pabbly Email Marketing, and then I want to send an email to that subscriber using Pabbly Email Marketing SMTP server. So for that, I will create an integration between Pabbly Form Builder and Pabbly Email Marketing. For that, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in. And here, these are all the apps that Pabbly offers. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I will click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here, and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now we want to create a new workflow. For that, I will click here on Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I'll name it as my objective, which is to create Pabbly email marketing subscriber and send email for Pabbly Form Builder submission. And now I will select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I will select Home here, and I will click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, Trigger and Action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And Trigger says when this happens, Action says do this. So Trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and Action will just follow that. So we will set up our trigger first. Here my trigger application will be Pabbly Form Builder. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to give a trigger event. So I will open this tab, and new form submission will be my trigger event. So I will select this. Now I have to connect Pabbly Form Builder with Pabbly Connect. For that, I'm going to use this webhook URL, which is going to work as a bridge between Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Form Builder. So for that, I need to follow this instruction. So first I will copy this webhook URL, and I will go back to Pabbly Form Builder. And here I will go to integration. In integration, I first have to select the form that I have to connect. So I will select this email marketing form. And in this webhooks, I will create a new webhook. So I will click here on Create Webhook, and I will paste that webhook URL that we have copied from Pabbly Connect. And I will click on Save. So my webhook data is added successfully. So I have connected this email marketing form with Pabbly Connect. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So to get this response, I will open my form and I will fill dummy details in that form. So let's go back to Pabbly Form Builder and I will go to Dashboard. Here I have this email marketing form. So I'm going to share this. I will copy this link. I will open this link in a new tab. So this is my form. So I'm going to fill dummy details in this form. So my first name will be test. Last name will be user. And the email will be testuser@pabblytunes.com, and I will give a random mobile number. So I have filled all my details in my form. So I'm going to click on submit. So my form is submitted. Now I will go back to Pabbly Connect. So here we can see we have received this response. So this is my form ID and this is the phone number. This is the first name, which is test. This is the last name, which is user. And this is the email address, testuser@pabblytunes.com. Now what I want is, I want to use these details and I want to create a new subscriber in Pabbly email marketing first. And then I want to send an email to that subscriber automatically using SMTP server of Pabbly email marketing. So for that, I will set up my actions tab and I will open this tab. And here my action application will be Pabbly email marketing. So I'm going to select this and I have to give an action event. So I will open this tab and add subscriber will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I will click on connect to connect Pabbly email marketing with Pabbly Connect. Now I will click on add new connection, and to connect Pabbly email marketing, I have to give a token, and to get this token, I have to go back to Pabbly email marketing. And now I will go to integration. And in integration, I will go to developer API. And here we have this bearer token. So I'm going to regenerate this bearer token. And I get this new token. So I'm going to copy this and I will go back to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste my bearer token here and I will click on save. So my connection is successful. Now to create the subscriber, I have to give the list name, email and the name. Now for the list name, I will go back to Pabbly email marketing. I will go to subscribers. And in this, we have this Pabbly form builders list. So we are going to use this list and we are going to add a new subscriber in this list. So for that, let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And in this, I'm going to select my list, which is Pabbly form builder subscriber. Now I have to give the email and the name of my subscriber. Now for this, I'm going to map these details. And for that, I will use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'll click here. I will open the response of Pabbly form builder. And in this, I have this email address. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to give the name. So I will open this again. I will open this response. And this is my first name. And I will give a space. And I will map my last name. So this is my email address. And this is the name of my subscriber. So I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have the response. So the status is success. So this means we have added this subscriber by using the Pabbly form builder response. And here we are using this Pabbly form builder subscriber list. So I'm going to refresh this. And here we can see we have added this subscriber. So the email is testuser@pabblytunes.com and the name is testuser. We have created the subscriber from the response that we got from the Pabbly form builder. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So we have added the subscriber. Now we want to send an email to this subscriber. For that, I will add an actions tab and I will click here on add actions tab. And here my action application will be Pabbly email marketing. So I will select this. Now I have to give an action event. So I will open this tab and this send individual emails will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I will connect Pabbly email marketing again. I'm going to use existing connection because I have already connected email marketing before. So I'm going to click on save. Now in this, we have these details to send an email. First, I have to select my template, then the delivery server, and then these details for sending the emails to the individual. Now for these details, let's go back to Pabbly Email Marketing, and I will first show you my template. So I will go to free templates. In this, I have these so many templates. So for sending the emails, I'm going to use one of these templates. And for the other details, which is of delivery server, so for that, I'll go to delivery server. Here you have to add your delivery server. So for that, you have to click here on add delivery server. In this, we have these details. To add your delivery server, you have to fill these details. And in this, you can select the application that you want to use to send the email. I am going to use SendGrid, and I have already created this by SendGrid delivery server. So I'm going to use this particular server, and you can also create this server by filling out all these details. And now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to use this marketing email template. And for the delivery server, I'm using this by SendGrid server. Now I have to give the name from which I'm sending the emails. So I'm going to type the name of my company, which is Pabbly. Now for the from email for the email campaign, it should be associated with the delivery server that you choose from Send Email. Now here you have to give your email from which you have to send the emails to your subscriber, and also the email that you have associated with your delivery server. So this is my from email, and now I have to give the individual email. Here you can map the email on which you have to send the email to. I'm going to open this Pabbly Form Builder response, and here I have this email address. So I'm going to select this. So I have filled all my details here. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send as Request button. And here we have the response. So the status is success and the response is mail sent. So I have sent the mail to this particular subscriber through my Pabbly Email Marketing SMTP server. Now to check this, I will open my email. And here I have received this new email. So this is the email from the company Pabbly. And this is a template that we have used for marketing. So here our integration between Pabbly Form Builder and Pabbly Email Marketing is working successfully. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between Pabbly Form Builder and Pabbly Email Marketing. So whenever I'm getting a new response from Pabbly Form Builder, then first I'm using those details of form and I'm creating a new subscriber in Pabbly Email Marketing, and then I'm sending an email to that particular subscriber by using Pabbly Email Marketing SMTP server. So let's summarize what we did here. First, I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Pabbly Form Builder, and my trigger event was new form submission. Then I have set up my action, and my action application was Pabbly Email Marketing, and in this my action event was add subscribers. Then I have used another action step, and my action application here is Pabbly Email Marketing, and my action event was send individual emails. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. Thank you. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.